Check Your Health is brought to you in part by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
And welcome back. We have Dr. Robert Burr with us today. He's a neuropsychologist with Utah Valley Sports Medicine, and we're talking about concussions. And there's been a lot of talk about the new Will Smith movie, which is shining a lot of light on that. The story of the doctor who discovered that and really wanted to get the word out. And maybe you could tell us a little bit about that. It's just within the last 10 years or so.
Right. The information I think that the story is based on has occurred or come to light in the last 10 years. It documents the experience of Bennett Amalu, who's a pathologist who first documented a phenomena called chronic traumatic encephalopathy in a former NFL player.
Yeah, that was Mike Webster, a center for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Yeah. And there was controversy, and I guess maybe there still is a little bit of controversy with it.
Yes, there is a lot of debate going on back and forth. I think over the past 5 years or so, a lot of evidence has come forth to actually demonstrate this, yes. Depends on the context you're looking at it in, but it's a true phenomenon.
Okay, so with that being said, I guess as parents with kids coming up through the ranks, whether they're playing football or other contact sports, what do they need to know?
Correct. That's a great question to ask. I think in the context of the movie, the important information was that it identified the importance of having repeat or multiple concussions over the span of a lifetime or professional or athletic career. So I think if we look at it in that context, then we have to back up and what's our good treatment approach? Well, first off, we need to really recognize concussion for what it is, diagnose it, and then treat it properly. There are several factors involved that modify outcomes, and we need to acknowledge those and work forward with them. Additionally, changes in the way we practice and teach and train athletes is important. I know the NFL itself has implemented several factors, non-contact practice during the week. We could approach that at the high school and the college level.
Well, we know there's definitely a protocol now, even at the high school level. I mean, if there's a sign of a concussion, I mean, you're out until you pass the test.
Correct, yes. Yeah. You have to be removed and then go see your medical provider and go through the proper steps. We know that with good treatment, people recover and can move forward in their daily activities in life.
All right, but we are definitely making progress with it. The more you know, the better we can treat it and prevent it. So,
yes.
All right, Dr. Burr, thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
And should be a great movie to see as well.